Today, the state's key witness in the murder trial of an Albuquerque cop took the stand. Aaron Jones was the lead detective investigating the death of Levi Chavez's wife, Tara. But his testimony was interrupted when Chavez's attorney asked for a mistrial. News 13's Amanda Goodman is live at the Sandoval County Courthouse with the details. Amanda?
Well, Jess, David Cerna was not happy with the statement Jones made about Chavez. Jones testified that he believed he was taken off the Chavez case because his boss was either friends with Levi or the Chavez family, and they wanted the case to go away.
This jury is getting the impression that Levi Chavez has some kind of control, that he's the unseen hand that I guess was monitoring every keystroke.
Now, the judge denied Cerna's mistrial motion, but agreed Jones was speculating, so he told jurors to disregard Jones's statement. Chavez is on trial for killing his 26-year-old wife, Tara, with his APD-issued gun in 2007 in their Los Lunas home, then staging it to look like a suicide. On the stand today, Jones, who was a detective with Valencia County and the lead investigator in this case, said when he first got to the house, it looked like a suicide. He says he started thinking murder when he told Tara's dad she'd killed herself, and her dad said there was no way. But it wasn't until a few days later, when he heard the 911 call, that his opinion really started to change, especially when Levi told dispatchers Tara had been shot in the head.
I couldn't tell where she'd been shot in a lighted room with all the lights on with a flashlight. How in the world he could do it in a dark room with nothing else to see but that, and figure out where she'd been shot from, or where she had been shot at.
Jones said the fact that Levi hadn't tried to resuscitate her, telling the 911 operator she'd also been dead for a day or so, was a red flag as well. Now, Cerna has attacked Jones's credibility from the start, calling him a dirty and dishonest cop with an agenda who would tell witnesses things he shouldn't have. And late this afternoon, the state played an audio recording from an interview that Jones conducted with Chavez a couple of weeks after Tara's death, and you'll hear more on that tonight at 10. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Amanda. Investigators have also said the case started to point to murder when they started to discover the Chavez's marital and money problems and allegations that Tara was going to report Levi for staging the theft of his truck for insurance money.